Hey guys, today I have with me Poco X3 Pro. The smartphone offers a 6.67-inch IPS LCD display having a pixel density of 395 ppi. Poco X3 Pro has a bezel-less punch-hole display with Corning Gorilla Glass V6 protection. On the right spine, you'll find the volume rocker and power button, which works as a fingerprint sensor. And on the other side, the phone has the SIM tray. On top, there is an IR blaster and a secondary microphone. The bottom of the phone features a USB Type-C port, 3.5mm jack and a speaker grill. Poco X3 Pro comes with a quad camera setup, so that's all as far as the design is concerned. Now let's get into the details about the internals. Poco X3 Pro comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 860 chipset with 7nm fabrication. For multitasking, you will get 6GB of RAM and the internal capacity of the smartphone is 128GB, which can be further expanded up to 1TB. Poco X3 Pro offers a 5160 mAh battery powered by a 33-watt fast charging facility. Coming to the camera aspects, the phone features a 48MP quad camera setup and includes a 48MP primary camera supported by an 8MP ultra-wide angle camera, a 2MP macro camera and a 2MP depth camera. Also, the phone offers a 20MP front camera. The software version of Poco X3 Pro is Android 11 with MIUI. So guys, that's it for Poco X3 Pro. Thank you so much for watching this video.